Hello friends. So in the first class we discussed about the basics of material science, then classification of materials. Now today we are going to discuss structure of crystalline solids. Okay. See, basically you are, you know that material exists in three different states: solid, liquid and gas. Okay. So we have to study the different states of the material. But with reference to material science subject, here we are going to concentrate only solid state of the materials. Solid materials may be classified into two groups, okay, based on the regular or arrangement of atoms or molecules with respect to one another. One is crystalline solids and another is non-crystalline solids. So non-crystalline solid is also known as amorphous solids. Now, crystalline solids. Crystalline solids, see, in a simplest way, I will tell you, when the atoms or molecules are regularly arranged, they form one regular pattern, and the same pattern is repeated over throughout the structure of the object. And the example is clay, limestone, carbon, okay, NaCl, salt, KCl, metals, etc. Crystalline solids, they exist either monocrystalline, that means they contain only single crystal, or they may be polycrystalline, okay, that means they consist of more number of crystals, okay. The example is SiO2, means silicon dioxide, okay. Non-crystalline, it is also known as, I told you, amorphous solids, and they are made of atoms or molecules with non-regular arrangement. Okay, see, when the atoms or molecules, they arrange themselves in a non-regular pattern, so they are known as amorphous solids or non-crystalline solids. Examples are glass, polymer, rubber, plastic, etc. Okay. See, then we have to discuss fundamental concepts of crystal geometry, crystal structure. See, the regular and periodic arrangement of atoms or molecules in space is known as crystal structure. The various properties of the crystalline solids depend on the crystal structure of the material. Unit cell. Crystalline solids are built up of number of crystals in which the crystal may be of different shapes and sizes. Now you see here, I will tell you in a very simplest way what is meant by crystal. Now you see here, so here we consider this is one crystal, this is another crystal, and this is another crystal. So here we consider three crystals for our convenience. So here this crystal and this crystal, they are separated from each other with by means of the particular boundary. So this is known as crystal boundary. Now why these three crystals are separated from each other? Because you see, the orientation in this crystal, orientation of atoms is different. Here the orientation is different. Here the orientation is different. So I told you about the crystal structure. Now what is meant by unit cell? Now you see here, see, out of these three crystals, here one portion of the crystal is considered. Now you see, if you observe the crystal, this crystal is having repetitive entities. You see, this is the smallest portion of the crystal, and this is repeated everywhere. So the smallest portion of the crystal is known as unit cell. Okay. And if we consider the unit cell separately here, you see here, this is the unit cell. Okay. So this is unit cell in 3 dimension. So it is assumed to be the cube. So cube means it is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 faces. Sorry, the cube is having 6 faces, and at each corner it is having the atoms. The atoms are placed at each corner. So if we consider the cube, it is having 8 corners, it is having 6 faces. So at each corner the atom is placed, you see here. So how many atoms we can consider in a cube? At each corner 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now after that we have to consider lattice. Lattice means it is a mathematical abstraction. It describes the way atoms or group of atoms or molecules, okay, repeated in the space. Now you see here, you just consider this. It is a square lattice, okay. You just see here 1, 2, 3, 4. If we consider the atoms, okay, the shape of this lattice is square, you see here, and therefore it is known as square lattice. The shape of this lattice is rectangle, and therefore it is a rectangular lattice. And here, based on the shape, we say it is a rhombic lattice. Space lattice. The arrangement of atoms or molecules in a crystalline solids in 3-dimensional network is known as space lattice. See, the atoms are arranged in all the direction. So arrangement of atoms along x-axis, along y-axis, and along z-axis, it is known as space lattice. Okay. After that, crystal systems, it is also known as Brave's space lattices. Now from the diagram, okay, you just see here. Here the cube is considered. Okay, so here we consider the dimension along x-axis, dimension along y-axis, dimension along z-axis. So we assume the dimension is A along x-axis, the dimension is B along y-axis, and the dimension is C along z-axis. Means here we consider 3 parameters along x-axis, along y-axis, and along z-axis. And at the same time we consider the 3 angles. The angle between x and y, it is known as alpha. The angle between y and z, it is assumed as beta, and the angle between z and x, it is assumed as gamma. Means totally in this crystal system we consider 6 parameters, 3 along x-axis, that is 3 linear parameters and 3 angular parameters. Okay, A, B and C. These are the 3 parameters along x, y and z axis respectively, and 3 angles, that is alpha, beta and gamma, okay, between x and y, between y and z, and between z and x respectively. Okay. Now Brave's lattices. So I will explain one example here. Okay. So this is a unit cell. This is cubic in nature. So here we consider the 3 lattice parameters A, B and C. Okay. So here A is equal to B is equal to C, and the angle alpha, beta and gamma, okay, that is equal to 90 degree. So here we consider simple cubic, the abbreviation is SC, and the example is polonium. Body centered cubic, that is BCC. Okay, so examples of ferrous, vanadium, chromium, molybdenum, etc. Face centered cubic, that is FCC, abbreviation means short form, and the examples are copper, aluminum, nickel, etc. Okay, in the same way there are 14 Brave's space lattices. In the same way you can discuss this.